Riwruog Kupet bade mabaringo ywago arita mag jopuonj e gwenge mag North Rift kalore kod monj kendo nek mar japuonj mar sikund primar ma Kapindasum mane onegi gi jonjore. Jalup jakom mar Kupet bade mabaringo Julius Korir dwaro ni jopuonj e gwengego makono tiegi yore mag ritore kendo omigi thuolo mar bedo gi magina mar ritore e kinde monj.
That are affiliated to Kupet. Karibu sana. On behalf of these teachers officially,
teachers are victims. They should be given guns like any other officers who qualify. Why not teachers? Teachers are human beings. They have families to take care of. Why not them? They should be given guns to defend themselves.
I teach in one of the places where banditry is real, that is around Muchongoi area. And as a union, I say today, we really support that our teachers should be armed because they are insecure. And for sure, we have lost quite a number of teachers in this county simply because of insecurity. And for how long shall our teachers die so that the government wake up? I think it has become difficult because for many years, it has been the same story year after year.
Ndio wachunga walimu na kuchunga watoto na kuchunga property ya shule. Ndio waweze kufundisha kwa na kitu yake hapa. Ikiumana anakuwa the shield and defender of the children of our country. Because we are suffering. We also say we need to support them in what is called risk allowance. Kama watu ya notice wanataka retention of teachers, then we must create risk allowance for teachers operating in extreme hardship conditions.
Odiochieng' ma piny mangima dhialo kedo gi